The 2023 TCT Asia 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing Show was held in Shanghai from 12 to September 14, 2023. TCT Asia is the professional 3D printing technology show in Asia. As an important part of the TCT brand's global touring show, TCT Asia aims to spread the knowledge of 3D printing and explore the full potential of additive manufacturing technology in the whole process from design to manufacturing. During the 3-day show, the number of visitors reached 16,680, an increase of 50.28% compared with 2019 before COVID-19. BLT appeared in 2023 TCT Asia with a new brand image. The application cases on display cover aviation, aerospace, engine, mold, medical, automotive, and other industries. The BLTS 1500-26 laser, equipped with the newly upgraded BLT-MES 2.0, was grandly launched at the show site, which can realize the energy monitoring of the plant and the centralized management of the system while meeting the needs of mass production. In this show, the intermediate compressor case printed by BLTS 1500 made its first public appearance, and BLT participated in the research and development of Beijing Olympic Winter Games torches, large-scale parts of iSpace liquid oxygen methane engines, titanium alloy bicycles and other application cases, demonstrating BLT's strong technological research and development capabilities. BLTS 800, 20 laser, BLTS 450, 8 laser, BLTS 400, 6 laser, and powder circulation system were displayed on site. BLT helps users to reduce costs, improve quality, increase efficiency, and ensure safe production, leading the era of mass production of metal 3D printing.